This is the Genesis G90. As part of a comprehensive driver assistance system, the Genesis G90 is equipped with the Lane Keep Assist feature. The Lane Keep Assist system is designed to detect lane markings to warn the driver if the vehicle unintentionally steers out of the lane. When the vehicle departs the lane without its turn signals on, the system will automatically assist the driver's steering to help them get back to their lane. Note that the Lane Keep Assist function relies on the front view camera. It is important to make sure there aren't any decals or debris covering this area. To enable this feature, press Setup, then Vehicle, Driver Assistance, and then Lane Safety. If Assist is selected, the system will automatically assist the driver's steering when lane departure is detected. If Warning Only is selected, the system will alert the driver with an audible warning and the steering wheel will vibrate. The automatic steering assist will not function. If Off is selected, the Lane Keep Assist feature will not be active. The warning alert volume can be adjusted by pressing Setup, Vehicle, Driver Assistance, and then Warning Volume. Alternatively, this can also be accessed by selecting Sound and then Driver Assistance. The volume can be set to high, medium, low, and off. Be warned that if the volume is set to off, the steering wheel vibration warning will be turned off as well. If Driving Safety Priority is selected, all other audio volumes will be lowered. Once the Lane Keep Assist has been set up, you can turn it on and off simply by pressing and holding down the Lane Driving Assist button located on the left side of the steering wheel. While using this feature, the green indicator light and the lane should illuminate when the vehicle is starting to depart the lane. Additionally, an audible warning tone and steering wheel vibration will occur. Note, if you are traveling over 40 miles per hour and a vehicle is in close proximity, Lane Keeping Assist with Road Edge will automatically steer you within your lane to a safer distance. While using this feature, the driver must always keep their hands on the steering wheel or a warning message will appear along with an audible tone. Be aware that the Lane Keep Assist function will turn off automatically if repeated hands-on steering wheel warnings are issued. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.